Hello students, today we will discuss Europe. Europe is a rather small continent in terms of area. It ranks 6th among the 7 continents of the world. So you can see in the map, it's already given very clearly. So when we'll see the location, and if we are dividing this world map into two equal parts where equator line is dividing, and then Europe lies entirely in the northern hemisphere. So you can see in the red color it's shown very nicely, and then boundaries. So Europe is a peninsula. It is surrounded by sea on its three sides. In the north, it is bordered by the Arctic Ocean. In the west, it is bordered by the Atlantic Ocean, and in the south, it's bordered by Mediterranean Sea. You can see very clearly. And then Ural Mountains and the Ural River separate the continents from Asia, which you can see. And if we are talking about coastline of Europe is highly indented and broken due to a large number of enclosed seas and bays. And the indented coastline of the continent provides a large number of natural harbors and the port cities. Clear? Yes, this is island where British Isles, Iceland, then Sardinia, Sicily, Crete are the main island of Europe is there. So island, you know very well, the land which is already covered by water from all the sides. Clear? So the next one is like your political division. So Europe is a small continent with 50 countries. Oh my god, you can see over there very beautiful map of Europe is there. So you can see total countries are 50. So then if we are dividing this, Scandinavian, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Denmark are collectively known as Scandinavian countries. So this name is already given. And then next one is Baltic states, Estonia, Lithuania, Latvia. These are together known as Baltic states. So these countries which is already separated one where the Baltic Sea is there, so that's why this name is given to these countries. Clear? Then afterwards your Russia and former Soviet Union. A large part of Russia and 9 independent republics of the Soviet Union are part of Europe. And then low countries, Belgium, Netherlands and Luxembourg are called the low countries. So you can see over here. And then Balkan states, Slovenia, Croatia, then Bosnia, Macedonia, Serbia, Bulgaria, Greece, Romania, Albania. These all are known as Balkan states. So if you can see over here. And then this is Greece and Italy. These are in the southern side of Europe. So these two cities are already separated, and this is the smallest city. Yes, Vatican City, which is smallest and independent state, which is situated within the city of Rome, with a population of few hundred peoples only. It is the seat of Pope and the headquarters of the Roman Catholic Church. See, very small city of Europe. You can see here. Yes, and very less population which is living in Europe. So very pretty. Yes, you can see. And then next one is your the British Isles. And the British Isles, which is already having a made up of two large islands, Great Britain and Ireland, as well as many small islands are there. So the United Kingdom of UK and England, and then Wales and the provinces of North Highlands. The Irish Republic is a separate country, and the Isles of Man is a British dependency, not a part of the UK. So this is your Iberian Peninsula, which is made up of the countries of Spain and Portugal. Okay, yes, you can see over here.